When homeowners in Pasadena look for ways to enhance natural light, improve views, and modernize their interiors, picture windows often rise to the top of the list. With their clean lines and expansive glass design, picture windows create a bright, open feel that complements a wide range of home styles. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's why picture windows have become such a popular choice for homes in Pasadena. Maximizing natural light. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a space. Because picture windows are fixed and do not have moving parts, they feature large, uninterrupted panes of glass. In Pasadena, where sunny days are common, this design allows you to take full advantage of daylight. More natural light can make rooms feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. It can also reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day, helping to lower energy usage. Living rooms, dining areas, and front-facing spaces especially benefit from the brightness and openness that picture windows provide. Showcasing outdoor views. Picture windows are designed to frame the outdoors like a work of art. Whether your home overlooks a landscaped yard, a quiet neighborhood street, or scenic surroundings, a large picture window turns that view into a focal point. Instead of dividing your view with multiple window panels, grids, or sashes, picture windows offer a clear, unobstructed perspective. For many Pasadena homeowners, this connection to the outdoors enhances both relaxation and overall enjoyment of their living space. Energy efficiency benefits. Although picture windows do not open, this fixed design actually improves their energy efficiency. With fewer moving parts and tighter seals, picture windows reduce the potential for air leaks. Modern picture windows can also include energy-saving features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These technologies help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. In warmer months, energy-efficient picture windows help block excess heat from entering your home. During cooler periods, they help retain warmth inside. The result is improved comfort and potentially lower utility bills throughout the year. Low maintenance design. Another reason picture windows are popular in Pasadena is their simplicity. Because they don't open or close, they have fewer mechanical components that can wear out over time. This means less maintenance and fewer repairs compared to operable window styles. Cleaning is also straightforward, especially when installed in accessible areas. For busy homeowners, this low-maintenance benefit is a major advantage. Modern and versatile style picture windows offer a sleek, contemporary look that works well in both modern and traditional homes. Their minimalist design complements clean architectural lines and allows natural light to take center stage. They can also be paired with other window styles, such as casement or double-hung windows, to add ventilation while maintaining a large central viewing area. This combination approach gives homeowners flexibility in both function and design. With customizable frame materials, finishes, and glass options available, picture windows can be tailored to match your home's aesthetic. Enhancing property value. Upgrading to picture windows can also add to your home's appeal and overall value. Buyers often appreciate bright, open interiors and energy-efficient features. Large, well-placed picture windows can make a strong first impression, improving both interior ambiance and exterior curb appeal. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, investing in updated windows is a smart long-term improvement. Is a picture window right for your home? If you're looking to increase natural light, showcase beautiful views, and improve energy efficiency, picture windows are a smart and stylish choice for homes in Pasadena. With professional installation and high-quality materials, picture windows can transform your living space into a brighter, more comfortable, and visually stunning environment. It's no surprise they continue to be a favorite upgrade among homeowners throughout Pasadena.